Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue many users face with their Lenovo ThinkPad, a loose USB-C port. This problem can lead to connectivity issues and charging failures. Let's walk through the steps to diagnose and potentially fix this issue. First, you'll need a few tools to get started. A Phillips screwdriver, size number 0 or number 1. A plastic pry tool. Anti-static wrist strap. A can of compressed air. Begin by powering down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Ensure you have your anti-static wrist strap attached to prevent any static discharge that could damage internal components. Next, flip your ThinkPad over and locate the screws securing the back cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place so you don't lose them during the process. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges to avoid breaking any clips. Take your time with this step. Now that you have access to the internal components, locate the USB-C port on the motherboard. Inspect it closely for any signs of damage or loose connections. If it appears dirty, use the can of compressed air to clean it out. This can often resolve connectivity issues without needing to replace any parts. If the USB-C port is indeed loose, you might need to reseat it. This involves carefully pushing it back into place. Be cautious during this step, as too much force can cause further damage. If you're unsure about this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Before reassembling, take a moment to check for any other loose connections or components within the laptop. A thorough inspection can save you from future problems. Once everything is secure, replace the back cover. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Then, replace all the screws you removed earlier. Ensure none are left over, as this could lead to issues. Now, it's time to power your laptop back on. Plug it in and check if the USB-C port is functioning correctly. If you're still experiencing issues, it might be necessary to seek professional help. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy and convenient for you. Plus, you won't have to worry about making calls or traveling. Finally, should you require any repairs, we ensure you receive a detailed quote before any work is done. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost and time. Diagnosing and fixing a loose USB-C port on a Lenovo ThinkPad may seem daunting, but by following these steps, you can potentially resolve the issue yourself. However, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance if needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.